Hey viewer, welcome to Wheatley TV, and no, you haven't stumbled into a Constable painting. We're playing Clumber Park today. Thatched pavilion fans, we've got you covered here. Lovely pastoral scene here at Clumber Park, National Trust property. We've got a potted, dull history of Clumber Park coming right up, viewer, but let's have a look at the teams. We've got George Pos back from his recent wedding and honeymoon. Congratulations, George. And we've also got Cal Harrison back in the team against a Clumber Park side who thrashed us early in the season. We'll be looking to avenge that. Well, we've been blessed with a gloriously sunny day here, and we've got a new opening batting partnership. Annie Suresh facing first and Cal Harrison at the non-strikers end. It's in the air. Annie's gone over the top, second ball, and it's gone for 4. Oh, that's nicely bowled. Nice lofted shot by Cal. It is delightful. And the vocal stylings of Callum Rutherford and miniature pack here. We've got Bertie. That's good running. Yeah, good stuff from those two.
Well, while Pecky looks after a pecklet, you've got Cal Rutherford here, giving a bit of an attempt at commentary. Can't promise it'll go well. Steady start from the boys. See what Annie does here. Oh, shot. Oh, right. Oh, I'm giving it a go. Oh, and it's gone out for 4. Lovely, Annie. Lovely, Annie. What a shot. He's left it rolling. He's left it with me.
That's a joke.
It might be a joke, but I'm doing pretty well right now.
Put you under pressure, this ball.
So, Chris, 50p.
And that got really ugly quick.
Only thing we're ugly that we're watching you clamber over this.
Tricks.
Well defended by Annie after the shot for 4 before.
4 before?
4 before.
Right, now I'm good.
Cheers, mate. Thanks so much.
Officers only.
Cracked by Cal through the covers that shouldn't go. They drop off down the hill, all the way down there, and they come back for a trotted 2.
So where should I put it?
Oh, that's nicely hit down the ground by Cal. That's 4.
Should I bring the cricket ball instead?
Nicely steered by Annie. It's going to run off down the hill. Once again, it's fielded. And he gets 2. Oh, that's such a skillful shot by Annie, like a hockey shot almost. For 4. Oh, that's been taken down the leg side, bit of a strangle. Oh, that's cut up and over by Cal. That's a really clever shot. It's going to bumble on down here for 4. Oh. You can tell it's a warm one today. Kirk hasn't got 7 layers on. Here he is. Very full to start with. Squeezed behind square on the leg side, and Kirk's off the mark. Oh, Cal's plopped one, I think is the right expression, over the top. It's not going to go. And they jog a 2. Oh, it's in the air and it's taken. Off leading edge, I think. Through the offside. Kirk gets a slightly dodgy 2. Very full, squeezed out by Kirk. But he'll have to run these up, I think. Oh no, it's gone over for 4. That's a bit more fluent. That's a lovely shot for 4. That lovely brace of boundaries from Kirk has brought up the 50 for Wheatley. We're 50 for 2 and we've had 10 overs. Tom in here facing Darren Spooner. Nicely driven and well stopped. Oh, that's a gift. Heads, guys. Decent comeback ball, that. Squeezed down for a single, I think. That's a lovely shot by Kirk. Got it past extra cover, and it's going down for 2. Poked, I think is the right expression, through the slips for 4. Edge, no second slip in, that'll be 4. That's much better. Kirk's corrected himself there, so really lovely shot for 4 this time. In the air, just past the dive, and that's going out for 4. Tugged into the leg side by Tom. Oh my gosh, it's gone all the way for 4. It's incredible. Oh, that's a decent boot on it. Oh, it's on the bounce. That's really awkward for mid-off. He's done well. Nicely played by Tom. It's going to go behind the side screen. There is a man down there, so it won't be 4. So they'll come back for 2. So we've reached the first drinks break here. 17 overs gone. 86 for 2 Wheatley are. Clumber will have been delighted with getting rid of Cal and Annie, both of whom got 50s the last time they played here. But Tom and Kirk have put together a useful partnership already, and Kirk is looking in ominous form. Oh, watch out, Betty, watch out! That's hit a few cars behind me. Just missed my son's head by about 5 feet or so, and that's a 6. Oh, going for a quick single, and the throws are right. Nicely worked down by Tom. Is that going to go? Not quite. Oh, that's lovely stuff from Tom. Is it going to be fielded down there? No. You'll have to take it from me. That has gone for 4. 100 up for Wheatley. These two brought up their 50 partnership as well. They've done really well. He's hit. No, he's back. Oh. It's a lovely shot. It's well stopped out there. He's in a spot of bother over there after that stop. Not entirely sure what's happened, but it's a cramp or something more sinister, who knows. That is a beaut. Oh dear. Flailing arms there from the bowler, but he's not getting anywhere near that really. That's 4. Oh dear, he somehow got that down fine. Should go. There it has, it's 4. And neatly clipped for a single. That's a super drive from Tom. That should go down for 4. Well, the man's been taken out of slip now after that shot from Tom. They've posted him out on the point boundary. Tom has rifled a shot out there. A good bit of footwork stops it from going for 4. Oh. Sends that up and over. That's gone into the grass for another 6. And that is his 50. He's played brilliantly. Second 50 in 3 matches. Some have been a couple of lucky shots in there, but most have come out the meat of that bat. Well played. Oh dear. Well, that's going to be 4. Well, as Clumber Park seems to be completely devoid of internet coverage, I have no access to play cricket, so I don't really know what the score is, but I think these two must have brought up their 100 partnership by now. We're 142 for 2. A change of bowling. Josh Womble wanging them down from this end. Drills one up to mid-off, and it's need, and it's only 1. Neatly punched by Tom. Another 1 to the scoreboard. Oh, that's chipped up, and it's just gonna stop in front of 2 fielders, and it's gone between them for 4. Wheatley's 150 is up.
Right, you one.
It's a super shot by Tom. That's going out for 4, and that's Tom Waterfield's 50. I think I'm right in saying that's his first of the season. These two look like they like batting together, good mates, and Tom has deserved that knock. Well played. That's up and over, and that was 6 by the way. For some reason I decided to turn the camera off before I said 6. Oh, a bit of a delay in his delivery stride there. Good thinking. Oh my word. That is an unbelievable shot. 4 runs. Oh, it's a good effort at mid-off, but he really didn't have much of a chance there. That's 4. That one's in the long grass. It's his go-to shot today, that one from Tom. Gets another single from it. Well, we've reached the second drinks break. I think that's 180 for 2 Wheatley are on. Clumber really need to break this partnership. Bow chicka wow wow. Tom comes out, and is that a way out? No, it's not. It's landed before him. That's just a stunning stroke. Tom has launched that out, and it's been put down, and that's the sort of thing that can happen when you've conceded a monstrous partnership. That is an absolutely delightful shot from Tom. That's 4. Oh, that's an interesting shot. It's not going to go. Keeper's run down here. Is this going to be a keeper's throw? No, it's not. That's a brilliant throw. Umpire says not out. Good running. Well, that's even better, I reckon. Those 2 magnificently struck boundaries from Tom. Brought the 200 up for Wheatley with 205 for 2. Huge appeal. Not out. Cheeky shot from Kirk. There'll only be 1, I think. Tom comes out and he's stumped. And a bit of a tired shot there from Tom. He's batted brilliantly. His best knock of the season. Well played. George Postlethwaite, next man in. He's probably got the most severe case of pad rash a Wheatley batter has experienced this season. Kirk comes out, and that has gone for 6. And it brings up a magnificent century full of power, skill, class. My goodness me, what a player. Well adjusted there by Kirk. He was going to go for another massive shot down the ground. Instead just punches it for extra cover for 2. Oh, that's been drilled by George for an out. Kirk comes out and it's taken out here by Darren Spooner, and that ends a magnificent knock by Kirk Edwards. One of the most delightful knocks I've ever captured on Wheatley TV. Well, the Justice for Cal H campaign has borne fruit. He's got a promotion here with 9 overs to go. Oh wow, running appeal from Mr. Womble. Hasn't quite worked, it's a leg bye. They've got a licence, these two, to do exactly that. Oh my gosh, got a 4 out of nothing.
Yes, Aidan.
That's behind the sight screen. It's taken out there, apparently. Jono, next man in. And he's off the mark immediately. Oh, they've nicked a 2. That's such good running. Mr. Womble's had enough, I think. That's coming down here for 4. Jono steps across and plays that really nicely for 4. Oh. That's not Cal playing some shadow shots. I think he's escaping a wasp. Now, last time I was filming here, I was attacked by a persistent wasp as well.
That is his shadow.
Oh my giddy aunt. Cal has absolutely drubbed that for 4. It's brought the 250 up for Wheatley. Was that bat hitting ground? Yeah, nothing from the keeper. Another Celebra appeal, but again unsuccessful. People in the car thought that was out. Oh, it's just dropped out the reach of the keeper and the fielder coming in. We'll come back for 2. Muscle there into the leg side. I can't really see what that's gone. That's gone for 4. Oh. It's been dropped, I think, looking between the slats. They settle for 1. Jono comes out and he's been stumped.
Yeah, who are you sporting? I forgot what it's called. What are you sporting? What?
That's up. And that's taken. 2 and 2 balls. Oh, hello. Oh, all sorts of stuff. Tobe coming in. Oh, is that a 4th stumping for Mr. Davis? It's not, apparently. Shannon's coming back. This will be run out, I think. No, they've done really well. Well, that's the end of Wheatley's innings. A gargantuan total that we've put together. Certainly our biggest this season, probably the last couple of seasons. But Clumber stuck at their task really well, got wickets at the back end, and this pitch has got no demons in it, and they'll be fancying their chances of chasing this down. Welcome to Clumber's innings. They need 277 runs to win, and John O'Ellis is about to bowl the first ball. And that's a good start for Clumber. Just about the perfect one. 4. Oh, Jono gets his radar right, and third ball gets a wicket. H opening at the other end.
Yes, H.
I took 10 seconds.
Oh, Tobe.
That took 10 seconds actually.
Nice shot.
That actually took 10 seconds.
That's the dangerous Mr. Womble off the mark. He got a ton against us early in the season. Oh, that's a lovely shot. I'm afraid the sight screens are going to get in the way there, but that's 4.
I could go all the way around the
Oh,
world
that was an interesting
China,
shot.
by myself and all the way
Henry's
around
not going to get there.
to England.
That's 4. Oh, it's a huge appeal, and it's not been given. It's in the air, just over the top of Henry's reach. Lifted shot. It's going to bounce a couple of times and go into the fence for 4. It's come out, it's punched it up, just out of the way of Tobe. And he's done absolutely brilliantly down here, the big man. And he's saved 2. Oh my word, that is a brilliant catch from Tom, and unfortunately I didn't get it. Naturally for Tom. That is a huge wicket.
Yeah, don't mind that H going hard again.
Go this way.
That's an edge, and that's gone. Frenetic start here. 28 runs, 3 wickets, and only 5 overs gone. Wheatley very much on top.
How many hours was it?
Oh, lovely bowling by Jono.
So how many hours was it?
How many hours? What do you mean?
Was that
Oh,
challenge?
hang on. I think Henry was happy to leave that to go for 4 at one stage.
How many minutes was it? It wasn't 15 minutes.
Oh,
How
that's
many
clipped
was-
down, but Jono's down
How many
here.
minutes, Daddy? It wasn't 15.
I think it was. It was about 15 to 16.
Yes. Keep dotting, keep starving.
That's an edge, but it's going down. I think that'll race away for 4.
Ball.
Yeah. Johnny coming round to the left-hander. That's a brave leave. And Jono's through him. Brilliant bowling. That's a lovely shot. That is whistling to the boundary for 4. Henry's through him. Superb bowling. Irresistible bowling by Henry and Jono at the start of this innings, and Clumber are in a whole heap of bother. Henry's got him first ball and he's on a hat-trick. Well, looky here. Now, we all know the drill here. Henry's taken a hat-trick before on Wheatley TV last season. Let's see if he can do it again. Be warned, he may have a little run through the crease on this one, which is what he did last time.
I think they've got us on the go.
Now, if the pattern continues here, Henry's going to get a hat-trick. Oh, and it's a no ball, I think.
No ball.
Well,
No ball.
that serves him right. Trick ball for Henry.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just over Cal, and it's gone for 4.
Someone on his back, he enjoyed it. Good start. Good
Really
start.
good stop, and that's prevented a definite 4. They're going to think about a second, but they turn it down. Oh, there's something on that. That's flicked in the air, but it's going to evade Brendan. That should go out for 4. It does.
It does. Quite a few bowlers.
It's gone backwards square. Brendan on the run again, bless him. That's edge. It's taken by Cal.
Had a bad day.
You brought a gun to a knife fight with that West Indies boy. A bit unfair, that.
Oh, Toby. I imagine that was close. That's a bit better. So I did promise you a potted history of Clumber Park, viewer. It's the story of many country piles. It was enclosed about 300 years ago. They built a big house. It got burnt down in a big fire. They built another one. That got damaged. Let me check my notes. By a big fire. And they pulled the whole thing down to pay off a huge tax bill. Anyway, it's owned by the National Trust now, and people come here to walk their dogs and walk around the lake, and it's a very, very nice part of the world.
Henry, use the deck. Come on, passion. Kirk's hands off when he got a wicket. And they call him passion fruit now instead of pineapple. So he's the passion fruit now. Yeah, well done. Good boy.
Good boy. That's one of Stu's favourite expressions. Good boy. Oh, no, got something on that, I think.
Oh, there we go.
That is a delightful stroke. Oh my word. One of the shots of the day, that one. Oh, that's a good stop by Stu. Huge appeal, and that's been given. Over the top. Brendan in action again. He's just going to watch it trickle over the boundary for 4. Cut crisply. Henry's. What's going to happen? No. Henry. Would like to point out that I wouldn't have even got into the position to tie for that one, so I'll wind my neck in. Clumber have got to the first drinks break, but they are 67 for 8 and are in a cavernous hole. That's a lovely shot. Bottom-handed punch over the top for 4. That's a lovely, solid punch. Toby, I think he's going to chase it down. He is. Oh, that's very nice indeed. Just in case the sight screens might block your view slightly there, viewer. That was 4. Hello. I was all keyed up at the end of Henry's spell here to say Wheatley's opening bowlers, they're immaculate line and length, and then, oh, Henners. I think this will be a free hit then. Oh. I certainly have, Cal. This is still a free hit. And there's a wide. He's still got another one after this as well. Oh my gosh. Wheels have come off here for Henry. I think we're in huge fine territory here. Speaking of which, I've informed by Cal that I'm going to be fined this week for abandoning the camera and forcing him to commentate. Honestly. It's gone up and that's going to come down here for 4. And I think that's probably the end of the free hits. Well, at one stage, Toe probably didn't think he was going to get a bowl today for the second week in a row, but here he is. That's how you do it. That's edged. And we've gone into second slip's hands, I think, there. But anyway, it's gone for 4. Oh, it's down. That's such a rarity for Stu. I don't know what happened there, but he had a couple of goes at it. He didn't quite grasp it. While we're dishing out fines, come on, guys. Well, Callum Rutherford is somewhat reluctantly going to be second change bowler here. I think he was probably expecting Cal Harrison to turn his arm over, but anyway, here we are. It's the played, and he's going to scamper after it. Cut very nicely indeed. Sorry about the side screen action. That's 4. That brings the 100 up for Clumber. Big appeal. Maybe going down. Well, I don't have any access to play cricket, so I can't tell you any stats from this teeth-grindingly irritating last wicket stand. But I can certainly tell you the atmosphere is hushed. Tom's getting funky with the field. And first ball. It's a brilliant field placing, but John has put it down. The best laid plans of mice and men, eh, viewer? Oh, and Annie stopped that brilliantly. That could have been 4 buzzers. Oh my gosh. Cal's through him, and the partnership is ended. Well, bloody-minded last wicket defiance aside, that is a really emphatic win for Wheatley. 3 wins on the trot, and we've now exacted revenge for 3 really heavy early season defeats in the return fixture against the club sides that inflicted those on us. Well, viewer, I'm off for a few weeks now. We're going down to France, as we tend to do at this time of year. So I'll leave you in the hands of a man booming a voice and finer fetlock, Jimmy Nixon, although there could be the odd gap here and there. Apologies in advance, viewer, but we've got lives to lead, and there are 1,001 other cricket channels to watch. Give them a go. Until I see you again, I'll be Hart Hill away if the ferry comes back on time. And until then, all best.